This is my little red blood cell. In one human body, or in multiple, the red blood cell travels. And it travels step after step after step. So before I begin my diagram, I will tell you about the first 3 steps before the red blood cells travel into the heart. The first step is that it goes into the capillaries and into all parts of the body. Then oxygen comes out of the blood and into the cells as waste go out of the cells and into the blood so that they correspond and help each other. Then the red blood cells go through the body's veins and into the vena cava to return to the heart. So now I will begin the diagram. We begin our diagram with the red blood cell traveling down the superior vena cava into the heart, then into the right atrium where it collects carbon dioxide-rich blood, then through a valve and into the right ventricle, then through another valve and into the pulmonary artery into the lungs. While it is in the capillaries of the lung, the carbon dioxide leaves the blood and oxygen comes into it. Then the red blood cells travel to the pulmonary vein and the oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart. Then the oxygen-rich blood collects in the left atrium. Then the red blood cells move through a valve and into the left ventricle, then through another valve and into the aorta, then into the arteries to go to all parts of the body, and then you're back at your starting point. Thank you for listening, and I hope that my iMovie was interesting enough that it kept you on the edge of your seat, just wanting more. Thank you, and I hope that you learned something about red blood cells.